Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saummya and today we will be moving forward to our next question, which is merge intervals. Let's move forward. So people, moving forward to our next question. So our next question was this Kadani's algorithm, but I have already explained this in question number 8, which is this one. To find the largest contiguous array, you can go to my playlist, which I will providing in the description box, and you can check there. I have explained this question, and if you are having any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be answering all your doubts. So let's move forward to our next question, which is to merge intervals. Okay, so the question is on Leetcode platform. Okay, so people, now let's just read the question very carefully first, and then we will be moving forward to the explanation and then the coding. So we are given an array of intervals where interval of I is start and end. Okay, we are given different intervals in which the first element is the start and second is end. Merge all overlapping intervals and return an array of the non-overlapping intervals that cover all the intervals in the input. So people, I guess it's too much of intervals. Let's move to the example. Okay, so just see this array which we are given. Okay, this is our array in which we are having different intervals inside it, and we need to check if we can merge them or not. Let's understand this through a better explanation. So people, let's say we are given this array, okay, in which we are having three intervals. One is 1 to 4, then 2 to 5, and 8 to 10. Okay, so for checking if we can merge the intervals or not, we need to check the second element of the first array and first element of the second array. Okay, so we will be checking both of these. If the element of first array, which means the second array, which means the end one of first array, is greater than or equal to this first element of second array, okay, then we can merge the intervals, which means we have to check if this value, which is 4, it is greater than or equal to 2, then only we can merge both the intervals. Okay, so now this interval will be merged, which means the first interval will be from 1 to 5 and second one will remain as it is. Okay, so this is 8 to 10. Now for this we need to check if 5 is greater than equal to 8 or not. Okay, so this condition is false. 5 is not greater than 8, so we cannot overlap or merge these intervals as they are not overlapping. In this case we can see that they are overlapping. 4 is greater than 2, which means the intervals are overlapping, then only we were able to merge them. So this will be our answer, which means 1 to 5 and 8 to 10. So people, let's move forward to the code part. Okay, so people, the very first thing we need to do is to sort the intervals. We can see the process. We are comparing the see this, we are comparing the second element of the previous array with the first element of the next array. Okay, we are able to do this because we know that the arrays are sorted. So the very first step what we will be doing is we will be sorting it. So just intervals dot sort, and since it is not a simple array, we need to give a key to this. Key is we are using the lambda function. Okay, such that x is such that x of 0. Okay, so we are sorting on the basis of the first element. Okay, so now to get the output, we need a second means an empty list we are creating. Let's name it merged. Okay, this is empty. We are using it to store all the merged intervals which we will be finding. Okay, I hope people you are able to understand what I am saying. Okay, now moving forward, what we will be doing is just zoom it a little for you people. It's okay, I'm not able to zoom. Okay, let's take this loop for I in intervals. Okay, what I will denote is every interval in intervals. Let's just take it as interval. For every interval in intervals, we will be checking if not merged, which means it is not present in merged, or merged -1 which shows the last element. Okay, which means if we are creating an merged, either it is not in merged, or we will be checking merged last elements second element, which means the end one. Okay, this is less than intervals first element. Okay people, then we will be appending this in merged. Okay, and if this is not the condition, then if this is not the condition people, then there is a overlap definitely. Okay, we will be checking merged last element, and last element second element is equal to, means we are not checking, we are assigning merge last elements second element the maximum of merged. I'll be just copying it from here. Okay, and intervals second element. Okay people, now we will be simply returning the merged list. Okay, let's try to run this. It's accepted. Let's submit. Yes, it's accepted. Okay, a few seconds ago. One more thing we need to check for is the time complexity of the code. Okay, so people, what should be the time complexity? We can see in the very first step we are sorting the array, which means it gives a time complexity of n log n. Okay, and for loop is iterating the this interval only one intervals, so the this will be of order n log n, and that's all for today. So thank you so much people for watching my video. I hope you are able to understand today's solution. I will be attaching the solution and Babbar's DSA sheet in the description box, and if you are liking my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and please hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications for all the videos I post. And please leave your reviews in the comment section if you want any kind of improvement, or tell me in the comment section how your videos are and whatever you like. So that's all for today people. Thank you so much.